Hey Flutter developers, today's topic is maps in app used to store data in key value pairs. This is the same concept behind JSON, which we use all the time in APIs. So first of all, what is map? So map is one type of key value pairs that we store in a variable. Here is a simple example. So what we do? Here we create a user map. Okay. So that is and its value. Okay, like name is key and its value is the city is key and that's what its value. Email is key and www.com is its value. Okay, so simply we print. So see here name value print out. Okay, now what? Now we move to its accessing and modifying. Okay, so first of all, what here when we use specific key of the map, then we use map variable, and in square brackets we pass key. Like name is key, so we pass string name. Okay, see, see, that's no everything because name key in Java is value. When we use this type of things, it's print the value of key. Okay, now what if we need to update basically is value like here is city and value is type code. So we simply update city with value. Okay. C name repeat city value. Okay. So this when key is similar to exit key, then again value will be updated. Or if provided key not available in name, then it's insert user in map platform key then assign value. Okay, so here is for output like name Ravi, city Delhi, email Ravi@gmail.com and phone which will not assign at a declaration time, but let them be create the new one. Okay, so this is same things. If key available, then updates value. If key not available, then add a key and value in a map. Okay. So this is simple accessing and modifying. Then we move to the common map methods. There are many methods. First of all, we use it to print its key using keys like map is user then dot. Then we use keys. What is key doing? So we simply comment down methods means okay. See name, city, and email is key dot keys return key of this map. Okay, like name, city, and email. Same idea, name, city, name. Now, similar, we have values, dot values. It's written value of what, like we going to see name. So, name in available value is the week, city in available value is airport, email in available value is the week. So, it's written only value of the names. Okay. Now, what is empty? Is empty what to do? See, first, because of user name has values, it is empty then it's written. Okay. Similar, we have another for is not empty. Okay. You can use it for the requirement. See, the return to because user has key and value as values. Okay. Now we move to the remove method. What's remove? Remove method is check. Email key is available in map, then it's erase it from the map. Okay. So you can print here, print results. Okay. See, name. Ravi, city, that's no email is available because we remove it. Okay. Now we move to the main methods. If we need to check specific key is available in map, then we use contain key. Same as for value, we use contain values. It's written true or false. Okay. It's written true or false. Okay. Now we move to the its iterating to the map. Okay. So there are two of them. By default, we can use using follow, or we can use for each method which provide with me. Okay. What if each return key and value with different parameters? Okay. So here we print key, zero sign, and value. Here is value like name Ravi, city Rajkot, image Ravi address another one. For follow name Ravi, city Rajkot, see his status in map. Okay. Now, what if you need to create specific nested map in your map? Okay. So see, student name is key as is key address is key. But in value is dynamic. Dynamic means we can use string, integer, or any other data types. Okay. So in address we use another map. Okay. Let's print after this address. I print student space name Aditya 821 address in the nested map. Okay. This is simple as a basic map, but it's nested in another key in value we use map. Okay. This simple then means like also need to access its key value. We need main key. Like address is a main key, then value is nested map. Okay. So first we use student variable. Then we use HSP is return value of this map. Okay. Now we need to print CTP. Then we use CT. Then it's return to name as per the value. Okay. So this is simple and basic operations. Okay. Map inside map allow representing complex system like data structure. Okay. So that is everything about maps from basic key value usage to nested data. Okay, together leads, gaps, and maps form the foundation of task collection framework. Okay, so this is simple things in collection which see list, map, and set. Okay, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this series with your friends. Okay.